Every learner's mathematical journey is unique. It begins in the early years with curiosity and play, and grows into confident, applied understanding by age 16. As part of the Curriculum for Wales, this journey develops across 4 interconnected branches: number, algebra, geometry, and statistics. 4 different ways to help make sense of the world around them. Progress is powered by 5 interrelated proficiencies. They are the engine of mathematical thinking and development. Conceptual understanding, making sense of ideas, connecting them to other mathematical ideas and, where appropriate, to real life. Logical reasoning, explaining and justifying and proving. Strategic competence, developing a toolbox of methods, concrete, pictorial and abstract. Communication using symbols, expressing ideas clearly, explaining, justifying and showing how answers make sense. Fluency, seeing the big picture and carrying out processes with ease by choosing the most efficient methods. These proficiencies grow together, strengthening every time a learner notices, questions, tests or revisits an idea. As learners travel through the progression steps, they build a deeper understanding, broaden their perspectives, and return to earlier ideas with new insight. In Progression Step 1, mathematical ideas emerge through play and everyday encounters. Learners notice patterns, compare sizes, and begin recognizing structure in what they see. These moments strengthen early understanding. In Progression Step 2, learners begin organizing and representing what they know. Ideas take shape, symbols become familiar, strategies become intentional. By Progression Step 3, learners connect ideas across the 4 branches. They reason, justify, and choose methods with growing independence. Here, earlier ideas resurface, stronger and clearer than before. At Progression Step 4, learners refine strategies and use mathematics flexibly in wider contexts. They compare approaches, evaluate efficiency, and apply reasoning to real situations. By Progression Step 5, learners routinely integrate ideas from all 4 branches. They interpret information, solve real-world problems, and make informed decisions. Mathematics and numeracy form a connected journey shaped by each new step and experience, and will continue to develop throughout a learner's life. Through the 4 branches and 5 proficiencies, every learner develops the tools to think critically, solve problems, and understand their world. And every teacher in every setting plays an important role in helping them navigate this journey.